wait? Do you want to wait for this entire group?
I mean, we're all gonna just kind of be together.
Okay.
Did you turn your GoPro on?
Say hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Woo! Squirrel!
That is beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow. That's incredible. Should we take pictures here? Or should we wait till we go up to the top?
It's up to you.
I would prefer to take pictures. Okay, that's fine.
Hey, can we get one of you guys to take a picture of the four of us?
Sure.
Oh, of course.
It's hard to beat that view, you know?
There's actually another spot that is, I'm trying to remember where it's at. It's on Boulevard.
There's like some picnic tables
Yeah.
somewhere where you can stop. It's
Is
really
it
pretty.
on Boulevard?
Uh-huh.
Not the front,
That's
back.
what we did.
It's on the
must be
corner.
that.
It's on the one of the big sweeping corners. So
Yeah,
keep
and
it
it's
hard.
like a
It's got the
picnic
picnic
table
tables.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to make sure we do that. Sorry to stop you guys.
No, you're fine. We stopped here anyway so that they could. We'll leave that on. It's fine. Probably helps if I put mine up so I can see this damn thing better. Make sure I don't have my gloves in the way. Oh, catch him as he falls over. All right, you ready? Excellent. Maybe if... Dang it. My gloves don't want to work today.
You can do the volume buttons.
Oh, that's right. Perfect. Let's get another couple here. We got a vertical. Ready? Boom. Perfect.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
So it's on Boulevard. I was totally
That's what we
wrong.
were, I remember it being on Boulevard now that he says it.
With the picnic tables.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We kept looking
Thank
for it
you for
yesterday.
reminding me. I
Where
kept
the
looking
heck
for it
is
and I
this
was like,
thing?
I can't remember.
Yeah, you gotta go all the way to the top. Catch tomahawk around,
Yeah.
back up.
It's like right out in one of those corners, and there's a picnic table down at the bottom.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and right now the picnic table is like,
Covered in snow, I'm sure.
no, it's not. It wasn't covered yesterday when we went by it, but it's like 8 feet down below you. And so they've got the boundary there, but like the ski boundary, but then they have a gap in it. So like if you want to go, I don't know if you can walk past that to take pictures or supposed to, or I don't have any idea.
A few years ago, we were staying on top of the picnic table because it was so buried.
Oh yeah.
You could just see, like,
I expected it to be that way this round, but I don't know if they cleared it off or what.
all right, you guys have a good ski day.
All right, y'all have a good one. All right. Are the Instagram models ready yet? Do it for the gram.
Don't ski backwards yet. Let me get out of your way.
There you go.
That's insane. Skiing backwards is nuts.
Let's let these 3 go ahead of us and then we'll follow in behind them. Y'all ready?
No, this is insane. Just wait till we get to the top. Because I thought there was still a wild ways to go.
Yeehaw! This is a little bit steeper right here, but it's not as powdery as things were yesterday, so it should be fairly decent. No, we haven't been on this one yet. But if you'll stay to the left, there's a stopping point where we can stop and you can regather yourself. Oh, never mind, it cuts back right here.
Oh, yeah.
So we got to hang to the right. Well, the other thing you can do is you can go down there and it flattens out and you come right back across here. Here, I'll go with you. Come on. Yeah, you see how it flattens out here? Let's hold up here and wait for them.
I think Emma got stuck in the snow.
Huh?
I think Emma got stuck in the snow.
Yeah. The good thing right there, if you keep your tips pointed uphill a little bit.
Do what?
Right there, right across, coming across there.
Yeah.
If we come across any more like this, because you're gonna have a lot where you've got blues and blacks that are crossing the greens. If you keep your tips pointed uphill just a touch, you'll just kind of skate down along it and you never have to like do anything.
Okay, that's good to know.
It's nice and smooth.
Okay, good. Love that.
Come on ahead.
Good, Dad?
And the big thing is try not to stop in the middle of the run.
I have a problem with that.
Always go towards the uphill side
And not the down.
and not the downhill side.
Good.
Because if you don't stop and you hit the uphill side, no big deal. You don't stop and you hit the downhill side, becomes a little bit more of a problem. Oh, you're poling? I'm not even poling. I'm just letting the skis take me wherever they take me. No, I really don't know what I'm doing, so I really have to just be more careful about things. Yep. One of the things that will help you with your turns is to just lift up your heel a little bit. You don't have to pick up your foot entirely.
Is my heel? Oh, okay. Let me try that.
But if you take that pressure off, right, then it doesn't try to dig on you. And you can just kind of lift it over with your other ski. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does make sense.
Whee! On your left. You're good. You see the snowcat?
Where?
They got it stuck on the side of the mountain.
No way. That's so funny.
That's what they groom all the runs with. Really carefully. The snowcat that's stuck up there. Yeah. It's kind of what I figured is like,